Go and pick a few tomatoes. I don't know what that is on it. Last night's park up. Clean the windscreen, just pulled over. A lovely little tractor and trailer and dog in the back. He's off. So this path basically takes you to a lake. Sunflowers. There you go, free sunflower seeds. Pull up, side of the road. You just get them from the sides, isn't it? Look at that. Peel it back and eat it. A nice new train is completely stuffed. Fishing lake is just down there. Don't think I'll be doing fishing today though. Go take a look at this. Oh, there's loads of frogs everywhere. Wow. Go to geese. What a beautiful place this is. See, who said Romania doesn't have much to offer? You're wrong. Especially if you're a fisherman. There's loads of benches up there as well. I'll just park the van here.
Vreau să vă întreb, marchiza asta se poate comanda separat?
He likes the van, that.
Când eram mai tânăr așa ca voi, mergeam cu șlepul, dar acum că de apa nu mai.
Is he going to show me his van? Come have a quick look. Van tour. Oh wow. Look at that. That's amazing. I tell you what, you would not expect that. It's got a TV there, single bed, gas stove. Did he build it all himself?
Da, eu singur, da.
Wow. That's amazing.
Asta a fost mașina
Full
lui
box.
la firmă de căra marfă, mi-a dat 1000.
I like that as well. You've got the roof light, that probably opens up. This is nice as well. That's a proper stealth camper. If ever I've seen a stealth camper, this is it. You would never even expect that. That is crazy. It's got like the blind at the back as well. It's got a solar panel on top. I wondered what all the clobber was up there. I tell you what, this place is amazing. Like, look at that. I'm going to get on his roof. I don't even care. Proper stealth bit of kit, that. It's amazing what you can do with a Vivaro. Look, there's his hookup as well. In there, like swimwear. Nice to meet you, thank you. He said thanks for the information, and if I think about it I can swap vans. To be fair, that is pretty cool, that. I do like it. See, this is where you go fishing. I might actually take fishing up now because it seems like a lot of people are doing it here. And all the best spots seem to be fishing spots. It's a nice tent he's got up there and all. Might go and do a tent tour. Walked around the lake, that's all done now. Lovely place. Might take up fishing after doing that. Go back to the van. Waiting patiently. I couldn't get it past the entrance. They wouldn't let me in the end. What I wanted to say, anyone who's thinking about getting BF Goodrich tyres for their van, do it. Like on these really big stones and like rocks and dusty gravelly roads, it feels like I'm floating. There's no shaking, it's just, I don't know, it just feels amazing. Whereas normally if I'd have come down here in a car, it would feel absolutely terrible. Fellow transporter. It's alright mate, I've got bigger wheels and tyres, I can go over here, no dramas. Hello? Hello mate, you're very friendly aren't you? Hello? Yes. Oh, you want to jump up? Come on in. Just don't chew my leg off, right? Look at these little bad boys. Little goats. Lovely bells you've got in you. Need a leader, must be the leader this one. It's got the bell on. What's going on up here? A roadblock. Hello. Wild dogs and a few goats. For the baby ones. Second roadblock coming up. I think he's making a rollie as well. Hello. They love that. That's a lovely yellow church there. Make a nice Tesco Express or McDonald's.